Welcome to Garden State Off-Road. In this episode's product spotlight on Rough Country's Toyota Tacoma trifold bed cover. Out of the box, the top is fully assembled. Installation only took minutes. Simply slide the two short blocks in the utility track by the cab, position, tighten the set screw, and repeat with the two longer blocks in the rear. Secure the front clamp, attach the rear clamp, and you are done. It is that simple. Rough Country's trifold tonneau cover with its durable UV resistant 3-ply double coated vinyl cover protects your truck bed and cargo from weather and theft. The trifold design allows you access to your bed and allows you to haul large items without having to remove the cover. If you are looking for a sturdy tonneau cover to protect your bed and cargo while improving gas mileage by preventing wind resistance on the inside of your tailgate, be sure to check out Rough Country's trifold bed cover at roughcountry.com.